Start with 300 grams of minced meat. Beef and lamb mixed together. This mix gives your burger the perfect balance of flavor and juiciness. Slice one onion thinly for caramelizing later. Caramelized onions add a sweet, gourmet touch to your burger. Grate a small onion, squeeze out the juice, and mix it into the meat. This helps cut any strong meat odors. Think of it as a refreshing spa treatment for your meat. Mix thoroughly and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Adjust to taste. Season well, but don't overdo it, unless you're aiming for the world's saltiest burger. Divide the meat into 2 portions, wrap in paper, and refrigerate. Chilling helps the patties firm up, like giving them a pre-cooking nap. For the sauce, start with 3 tablespoons of zero-fat mayonnaise, each with 5 calories. We're keeping it creamy and guilt-free, because a great burger shouldn't come with extra calories. Add 2 tablespoons of ketchup to the mayo. Mix in a splash of pickle juice. A dash of pickle juice adds a tangy kick, like a surprise plot twist in your favorite movie. Finally, chop 2 pickles and stir them into the sauce. Chopped pickles bring crunch and extra flavor. Add about 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar to the sauce. Balsamic vinegar adds a touch of sweetness and complexity. Chop a tomato into slices. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan, then add sliced onions and cook until caramelized. Golden, sweet, caramelized onions are like finding hidden treasure in your kitchen. Add another 2 tablespoons of oil to the pan and cook the patties. Press the patties with a spatula for a crispy crust and juicy center, like giving them a golden tan. Toast the burger buns in the remaining oil. Crispy buns add the perfect texture, like a crispy crown for your burger. Spread a quarter of the sauce on the bottom bun. This creates the flavorful base, like laying the foundation for a delicious masterpiece. Place 3 to 4 tomato slices on the sauce. Add the cooked burger patty on top of the tomatoes. Spread 2 to 3 tablespoons of cheddar sauce over the patty. Cheddar sauce adds gooey, cheesy goodness, like a warm hug for your taste buds. Add half of the caramelized onions on top of the cheddar sauce. Grate 50 to 100 grams of smoked cheese over the onions. Smoked cheese adds rich flavor, like the final touch that ties everything together. Spread the remaining sauce on the top bun and place it on the burger. Optional. Add 2 lettuce leaves for extra crunch. Lettuce adds freshness, like the perfect finishing touch. And there you have it, your smash burgers ready to enjoy. Savor every bite of your juicy, cheesy creation. It's so delicious. You might want to keep it all to yourself.